Welcome to Duckfund. If you need fast access to Earnest money, you're in the right place. Let's go step by step through how to finance your deposit with us. We'll start with the application, which takes less than 5 minutes to complete. First, sign up for our platform. Just click Get Started and enter your contact information. Next, check your email inbox and open the link we sent you. Now it's time to officially start your application. Move on to the next step by filling out the form with the details related to your deposit, your company, and property. At this point in the form, make sure to upload a draft of your purchase and sale agreement, preferably in Word format. Continue filling out the transaction details, including the escrow agent, the details for the LLC to be formed, and your attorney's contact information if you are working with one. The final step of the application is to verify your identity. To do this, answer the on-screen questions such as your address, phone number, and date of birth. If your identity is linked to your phone number, you'll receive a code via text and be asked to confirm that information. If not, you'll be shown a QR code to scan with your phone, where you'll need to upload pictures of your ID or driver's license, along with a selfie to confirm your identity. Review the application and submit. Congratulations! Your application will be processed within the next 24 business hours. If we notice any errors, we will leave a comment and ask you to fix them. And you're all set! Now, step 2. At this stage, we encourage you to schedule a call with our team so we can go over your application in more detail and explain everything about our EMD financing solution. Choose the time that works best for you. And you'll receive an email with a Google Meet invitation. Join using the link provided, and we'll see you there. On to step 3. After the introductory call and once you have a clear understanding of our deal structure, we'll schedule a validation call with the executive team. Just share your availability in the comments and you'll receive a Google Meet invite by email. Step 4. Your purchase and sale agreement will be reviewed for eligibility, and you'll be able to access our suggested edits for both your approval and the sellers. If you have any comments or if further edits are needed on your side or the sellers, simply upload the latest draft of the PSA and leave us a comment. Step 5. Once all parties have approved the edits and you're ready to move forward, it's time to sign our service agreement. Check your email inbox for the document and complete the signature through Adobe Sign. Step 6. Download the invoice for the upfront fee. In it, you will also find the wiring instructions. Once the payment for the purchase facilitation services is completed, click on Paid, and we will verify receipt of the fee. Step 7. The LLC will be formed and the related documentation will be available to you on the platform. To access it, click on Details and download the documents. Step 8. Submit the final unsigned execution version of the PSA for review and signing. Step 9. Check your email inbox for 2 emails, one with the call option agreement and another with the personal guarantee for signing. Sign the call option agreement through Adobe Sign. To sign the personal guarantee, you can complete an online notarization session by opening the link in the email and following the instructions. You'll need to create an account with proof, fill out your personal information, answer identity questions, verify your identity on your phone using the QR code provided, and have a brief video call with a notary public. After the session, submit the $25 payment. You will then receive a copy of the signed documents and be able to download them from the platform. Step 10. Proceed to wire the option premium fee using the same invoice and wiring instructions. Once completed, click Paid. Step 11. All that's left to do is upload the PSA signed by both the seller and the escrow agent. Good news! Everything is ready to wire your deposit. From here, we will wait until the expiration date of the option agreement to receive your decision on whether you will purchase the LLC from us, request an extension, or terminate the PSA. Step 12. It's time to make a decision. Select your choice from the 3 options. If you're requesting an extension, enter the number of days and submit. Then upload the draft of the PSA amendment for review. Once approved, upload the amendment signed by the seller. Access the new invoice for the extra days and proceed to wire the fee, then click Paid. Finally, sign our call option addendum either directly on the platform or through the email you receive. Once the extension is up, it's time again to let us know how you'd like to proceed with the deal. If you choose to buy the LLC from us, select that option, proceed to repay the deposit, and sign the membership interest agreement. Congratulations! You are officially the owner of the LLC. May this be one of many deals we do together. Until next time!